Welcome to another unboxing, my friends. I'm checking out this water pitcher with filter. So these are kind of nice, especially have water in your house or that isn't necessarily the best. A lot of these countertop ones, you just filter out the impurities. So this is a HEYAXA. Comes with a filter there. That's it for the box. Okay. So it's about 3.5 liters, which is just about a gallon or so. Have a little digital display telling you when to start your filter. Little top here, nice little dust top. We usually just pour our water in there, let it sit on the counter. You can put it in the fridge, but it's nice to be able to have that on top, so be able to close so the water or dust and stuff doesn't go in there if you just leave it on your counter. So that comes off nice and easy. This is BPA free also, so that is good. You don't want to filter out other things while you've got plastic leaching into your water. So we're going to go ahead and wash this first and put our filter in. And then you want to dump it out twice, and then you're good to use for water. So, all right. So rinse filter with cold water for 15 seconds before using. Carbon dust is normal, no more than 35 cycles. Press the start button for 5 seconds. Okay, so it has all the nice little instructions right on there. Let's go ahead and get this out of there. Okay, I'm gonna go wash this out real quick, and then we'll show you guys how it works. I'm just gonna cycle it through the couple rounds there, and should be good to go. Alrighty, here we go. Washed out the container and just placed the filter down in there after ran a couple waters through it, and here we go. Just simply pour our water in there. We have our nice ergonomic handle here, makes it easy to pour the water in here from my faucet as well. And there we have it. Now we are ready for a nice fresh glass of filtered water, free of little chemicals and stuff like that. Thanks for watching this video, my friends. I hope it's helpful. I'm gonna enjoy my water.